I dialed Edward's cell. Bella, he answered on the first ring. He sounded more than relieved.
Wait, guys. 2 spots just opened up in Chem 14D with guard.
No way.
Yeah. Who should I take it with? Chelsea. Okay. Sorry, Paul.
Sorry, Paul.
I'm SN1, I'm SN2, everybody look at me cause I'm about to substitute. I'm SN1, I'm SN2, take a good hard look at my great leaving group.
I'm in a lab, Neil Guard, take a look at me. Straight reactant dichloromethane with some PCC. Busting hydrogens, we're whipping ketones out. You can't stump a super TA cause we got no doubt.
Take some lithium and magnesium. We making organometallics cause we need some. I got no alcohol, but a lot of ether. Assume a workup, grab a hydrogen by adding water.
I break up oxides, using acids and bases. The acids attacking the most crowded carbon, but this ain't easy, so just remember the facts. And if you get lucky, you can do a backside attack.
I'm in this class and it's going fast and I got 11 reactions to memorize, man. I'm the queen of alkenes, got a brain like Neil. If you got oxygen, make an epoxide EO.
Here's the H up, this reaction
Got
is real.
C, I'm a catalyst super TA. Got HBr, don't need no solvent super TA. Metachloroperbenzoic acid super TA. HC Brown, got a prize super TA.
Came off, you could see me now. Splitting alkenes when I'm up in Powell. Gonna automerize this email somehow. With Markovnikov, anything is possible.
Never thought I'd be in this class. Neil's father-in-law will help me pass. Deal's older, look at me. Oh, whoa. Never thought I'd see the day that I might be getting an A. Believe me,